Welcome to the Vietnam job market update in the first week of May 2022. Through the job market report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. The open positions of the technology industry have a big distance from other industries. The second highest in the market is finance, the third group is banking, marketing ads and retail, which has similar data. Firstly, as the highest group, IT and software have grown sharply from under 1,000 to more than 1,000 positions. However, the data on the internet has a slight decrease from 711 to 656 positions. In the new month, the business needs staff of middle seniors, which are 844 in IT, 869 in software and 516 in internet. This week, banking, finance and insurance have different trends. While insurance has increased from 45 to 54 staff, banking has reduced from 171 to 138 positions. And there is not status changes in finance. In the new month, finance and insurance need more staff at the associate level, banking is seeking candidates at middle senior. Commercial real estate, construction and real estate all have had a downward trend. Commercial real estate has dropped sharply from 41 to 22 positions and real estate has declined from 56 to 39. Besides that, they still focus on associate level in commercial real estate and real estate, middle senior in construction. The FB has a downward trend this week, while food production has remained steady. The FB has declined from 108 to 93 positions and food production has still kept 35. Both industries still focus on recruiting at the middle senior level. In the last group, the consumer goods and fashion has had a downward trend, but there has been an upward trend of retail and consumer electronics. Retail has gone up from 98 to 140 and consumer electronics increased slightly from 21 to 29 positions. Consumer goods and fashion has made out 58 and 26 respectively. And they need staff at middle senior level this week. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.